y'all, it's Will
and Mommy.
Hey y'all, it's Will
And Mommy.
and today we're gonna make a drink with gummies. We got gummies, Cran, watermelon, cranberry juice, and
It's sparkling ice watermelon lemonade. So I don't know where I found this drink at, but it's called the Gummy Bear drink. So that's what we're about to do. First, we're gonna start off with a couple gummies in our cup. It say like, well, you done ate one now. It say 5 to 6 gummies in each cup. So, oops. Okay.
Let me hear that.
Here, just get some out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. We're gonna put these back. Okay. We're gonna keep it over there.
Can I eat one?
No, not right now. Let's do this first. Okay, and then we're gonna pour this. Like I said, it's the sparkling ice watermelon lemonade. We're gonna do.
Wait, why you put that in your gummies?
Cause it's called the Gummy Bear drink.
You can't really see yours because it's actually. Oh, you can't really see your gummies. But Mom, how do we get our gummies?
It's more so for the drink. And then the Cran watermelon.
Bro, we're not gonna put that much. Because I'm putting too much. Mom, do not put too much in mine. Just.
Go get a spoon real quick.
Alright.
Oops, I'll take that one.
Are we gonna get the gummies?
No, I'm not. No, I'm gonna stir it up a little bit.
I don't know. I got to.
No, I just need one spoon.
But I'm gonna.
No, we go put that. I just need one spoon. Thank you.
Oh, my goodness. Wait, Mom, we need to stop with your drink.
Okay, just straws.
One for me. And I got 2 straws. And they're kind of cute. Well, they're kind of stretchy.
Okay.
Okay, here you go. Mom, I can only do it my own self.
Okay. You got it? Let's try it. It's good.
Yeah.
You like it? What you gonna give it?
A 10 out of 10.
Me too. 10 out of 10.
Mom, but how are you supposed to eat our gummies?
When you're done, you'll get to the gummies.
But Mom, can I eat the ones that's in there?
Well, after dinner, I'll let you have some more. All right, y'all. So go ahead and
Please.
go ahead and get the ingredients so y'all can try the gummy drink. As you see, it's simple, easy. You only have 3 ingredients, and that is it.
I'm gonna do my finger in this so I can get the gummies.
That's disgusting. All right, we'll see y'all next time.
Bye.